Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JBL Tune 700 with your Android smartphone. Okay, so first of all you have to be sure that they are turned off. As you can see, you can find it right here on this indicator. When it's not up, it means that the device is turned off. To activate the pairing mode, click and hold this power button until this light starts blinking. Keep holding and release right now when this indicator is quickly blinking on the blue. Keep them close to your phone, to your Android phone. Open the Bluetooth setting and click to pair new device. Select JBL Tune 700 from the list. Accept pairing request. And as you can see right now we are connected. And that's all for this video, and if you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.